Go, try to ride on. Go, get in there with him.
They're scary though.
Get in there. Ride on, Gilbert. God, them things stink. Stink like pig shit. Get on one.
Wait till this big orange one comes up and I'm gonna
Hop right on it. Get it, Gilbert, get it. Get it, dude. The fuckers are pretty quick, dude. Get him, you pig fucker.
They don't hate me now. I can't get close to them.
Look at, they're just waiting for you to make a move. Bean it, bean it, bean it. Get it, get it, get it, Gilbert. Get it.
I'm trying to get one to eat out of my hand.
Crazy hurting them.
Yeah. With his dick.
Here. Oh, that pink one's got a big old dick. This one right here.
It's got a big old dick. Drill it. Get it right in the face, Gilbert. What?
Don't encourage that.
You look so gay with them tights.
That one was a bitch.
Ride
That's
it.
firm. Bro.
Ride it, Gilbert. Ride the little one. Why is that one so small?
Because it's a runt.
It's a retard.
It's funny that they all run from you because they don't. Come here, pigger. Yeah, you chase them. Oh my goodness. I'm never gonna domesticate these. Gilbert, stop it, please.
Alright. The shoes are all covered in pink shit.
Pink shit. Look at that ass.
Ew. Stop it.
He's got his balls out. He about got tripped. He got scared.
I'm done. You can try wrestling them. They're too quick.
Gilbert, I can see your bulge.
Oh, it's not that big.
Look at that ass. Damn.
Oh yeah.